This here is the 2013 Chrysler 200. We've had an issue with the roof, the issue being that the locking mechanism up here would not unlock, and there's several videos out there telling us how to manually release those locks and about having to replace the whole section under here. That is not always what you need to do. The issue actually is a lot simpler, and it is an electrical issue in the trunk. So the roof is down right here. This set of wires right here, inside in here. Remove the insulation, and if your roof is just activating the trunk and this panel here, but the main roof is not working, the chances are one of the wires inside here is frayed from the up and down mechanism. This is also a problem for your antenna. We've had a problem for the radio not working, the satellite was working, and the same problem was the coax cable in there had frayed, so we're getting no reception from the antenna. I'll post some photos of the frayed wire, and for about $10 you can buy yourself a soldering kit, solder the wires back together, and it'll avoid you the $1,500 to $2,000 fee that the dealership tends to want to charge for this known issue with the Chrysler 200. Hopefully this is helpful, and best of luck. Thank you.